Okay, this is the unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. I'm finally replacing my S8 Ultra, which works fine, by the way. I just wanted to upgrade while I can, because doing this through Samsung, they give me $700 back on a trade-in with the S8 Ultra, which is pretty damn good. So, this is still the 512 gigabyte, 12 gigs of RAM, just like the my S8 Ultra. And, well, 3.5 years newer is the S8 Ultra. Still works, zero problems. Don't care if you saw my unlock, like it matters. Big whoop. So, the new one's gonna be pretty much twice as fast with the CPU and the GPU. At least the CPU, it is a big difference. I know I'm losing the functionality with the Bluetooth with the pen, which sucks. I only really use it on my phone. I'm not justifying it that they got rid of it, which is pretty stupid. They better bring it back on the S26 Ultra, because I use it on the S24 Ultra. So I hope they bring that back. Alright, so the S8 Ultra was black. I went with I think it was the silver this time. This thinner. Now the reason why I did this, obviously, I wanted to get something newer. You know, 3.5 years old, and I use it all the time, literally every day. Video editing, photography, like just I abuse it. Gaming, it works great, but they give me $700 for it. I don't know how much longer. Like, I wait another year, I might not get that much. I might get $500 next year. I don't know. Usually I replace my tablets every 3-4 years anyway. There's no right way or wrong way of doing this, I guess. Guess you just pull it. Trying to open it without... whatever. I guess this is really weird how they did this. Oh yeah, so the screen's brighter on this one too, which is nice, and it has that anti-reflect glare screen thing. I do use mine outside periodically, and it doesn't get too bright. Like, I think it's only 400 nits, I think, the S8 Ultra, which is really weird. Great screen, but not that bright. The S11, they say, hits about 1600, so that's awesome. I'll have to test that before I do this trade-in, before I send it back to them. So, alright, I was just taking the case off. Let's see how much thinner it really is. Really not. It's identical. If it's any thinner, it's very minimal. My S8 is so... I hit the cue ball. It's dirty from being inside that case, but that was the black one I had. The pen goes on the back. The new one, the pen is in the box somewhere. Oh yeah. So I know the air actions still work. I don't really use the pen too much, believe it or not. Like, I do and I don't. I use it more on the phone, believe it or not, as a remote, if anything. Tablet, maybe, with some editing. It's easy just to do some sliding with the, when I'm doing like the slow motions or just any kind of color stuff. Yeah, so this is a little, they do give a cable. A little scene tray thing, or I should say SD card. Little stuff, things and stuff. That's it. That's boring. And let's see if I could show the anti-glare. If I could do this right. Yeah, a little bit on the... It's more visible in person. I don't know how it is shown on the camera, but there's a big difference when I look at it in person. I got to do the Samsung Smart Switch, bring everything over, get it all logged in. And I'm just going to turn it on, I guess, to see if it even... Oh yeah, supposedly the buttons are a little... Yeah, they look the same to me. Is this battery, like, dead? There it goes. Oh yeah, the power and the volume are reversed. So it matches my cell phone now. So that's good. Because it was annoying. Every time I went from the phone to tablet, I was hitting the power instead of volume. So at least they matched my cell phone. But I wish they were a little further apart. That would have been nice. So I hate hitting one with the other by mistake. Yeah, so I'm going to go through this. Just wanted to make a short video of it. Yeah, it's good. That's it. I really don't know much. I mean, what else to show? I just got to get a different case because I like this hard case I had for PS8. So I'm gonna on the prowl for the new one. And that's it for now. Maybe I'll make another video sometime testing it a little more. I just wanted to show you that.